Hey friends, here's how you play Measuring Around Town. There's one game for inches and one game for centimeters. You can choose whichever you'd like. You're going to get one paper from the folder and something to write with. Then you can pull out your cards. There's 2 of them. You can do them one at a time. You also have a dice, a little ruler, and a marker in your bag. First, you're going to put your name on your paper. Then you're going to record your answers below. So these are your rolls, and this is the length that you roll. So you're going to start on the start line. You roll your dice. I got 12 centimeters, so I'm going to write 12 centimeters on my paper. Now I'm going to start with my start line. I'm going to find my centimeter side of my ruler, cm, and I'm going to make a line starting from the start line all the way to 12 centimeters with my marker. I'm going to draw that line up to 12 centimeters. Oop, I went a little bit too far. All right, so there's my 12 centimeter line. Now I'm going to roll again. Now I got 10 centimeters. So I'm going to add 10 centimeters to my paper. Now this time I'm going to start at the end of the line that I drew last time. And I'm going to go 10 more centimeters. So I'm going to start at the 0, and I'm going to go to the 10. Now your goal is to see how many rolls it takes you to get all the way across town to the finish line. Let me try another roll. This time I got 8 centimeters. I'm going to write that down for roll number 3. I'm going to move my ruler to line it up with my line from last time. Ooh, and look at that. If I go 8 centimeters, I made it to the finish line. So I am done. I can even wipe off the marker that got on my ruler. That's okay. All right, so I had 3 rolls to get all the way to the finish line. Now for my total here, I want to add up how many centimeters I went. I know 10 plus 8 is 18. If I add 2 more, that's 20, and 10 more, that's 30. So altogether, I moved 30 centimeters to get across town. There's a challenge. It says add up all the numbers in the length column to get the total distance you traveled across town, which we did. Now measure straight across from the start line to the finish line. Are these numbers equal? Circle one. So I would need a longer ruler to measure from here to here. So I could get a regular ruler from the bucket and see how long it is, one straight line from here to here, and see if it's 30. If it's equal, yes, and if it's not 30, I'm going to put no. Why or why not? Explain your thinking. So you have to think about, if it's not equal, why isn't it equal? Maybe you went in zigzag lines. Maybe you didn't go straight across. And that's how you play. When you're done, you can flip it over on the back, and you can go across town on the other map. That's how you play. Have fun.